Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. One SA leader, Mussi Maimane, has exposed Operation Dudula leader Nhlanhla, who he said a lightweight being used by his political handlers, including ministers. Mussi said Nhlanhla is not a revolutionary, neither is he a visionary as he portrays himself to the people of South Africa. The former Democratic Alliance member stated that Operation Dudula is just a dangerous distraction from the real problems being caused by the ANC. He said, "You are a lighty being used by your political handlers. You admitted you work with ministers on live TV. You are not a revolutionary, you are not a visionary, and your whole brand is built on hate. Your operation is a dangerous distraction that solves nothing." Nhlanhla quickly hits back and said, "Watching Mussi Maimane at podcast with Megji, lying about me and Dudula, we have never practiced any of the methods he associates us with. The problem with SA politicians is that they don't call a spade a spade. They hide behind English words in an attempt to sound smart." That's what Nhlanhla said to Mussi. Many South African politicians have been describing Operation Dudula as a group that leads black-on-black violence, which is why it should be condemned. Maimane has said his focus is on the real causes of problems in South Africa under the ANC government that has underdeveloped and looted South Africa for 28 years. But why politicians are always criticizing Nhlanhla for working on the ground? Are they feeling threatened by Nhlanhla? Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news.